To tell if your fish is sick, pay attention to its behavior. Sick fish may spend more time hiding, going to the surface to gulp air, or hovering close to the bottom of the tank than usual. You might also notice your sick fish refusing to eat or spitting out its food. Look out for changes in a sick fish's appearance as well. For example, check for wounds that won't heal, rough scales, dull or bulging eyes, a swollen body, torn or jagged fins, or whitish spots on your fish's body and fins. Your fish's color might also fade or take on a dull, grayish appearance. Some diseases will even affect your fish's ability to swim properly. If you think your fish is sick, isolate it in a separate tank and talk to a fish specialist or exotic pet vet for advice. They can help you determine the best treatment.